Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Morning, my sponsor is Tax Buddy. So, this is the last week of the month for filing the income tax return. So, please file in time. And evening, Delta.exchange is my sponsor. If you are trading in crypto, please do not forget to add your profit or loss on cryptos in your income tax return. So, small things we forget, we may be getting into big trouble in future. So, coming back to the markets, on Saturday, Reliance results came, was not really very good. Today, Reliance fell. ICICI Bank came out with results, Kotak Bank came out with results. They both came out with good results, but still they fell. Why? Because people already expected these two companies to declare good results that was already priced in. So, good results also fell, bad result also fell. And the out of syllabus question today came from ITC. The ITC hotels demerger news came just in a matter of 15 minutes and ITC has fallen 20 rupees. So, that's more than 4%. And from intraday high to intraday low, it has fallen more than 30 rupees, which is more than 6%. And I think ITC is the 7th largest index heavyweight stock now because with the new market capitalization. So, now ITC is also an index heavyweight. So, that has fallen 4 to 6% today and that has contributed for more than 40 point fall in Nifty. Reliance contributed another 40 points, 80 points and Kotak Bank contributed another 30 points. So, 110 point fall came only from these three stocks. And this was totally a disappointing trading session. And for the last 3 to 4 months, Nifty has not corrected more than 250 to 300 points from the high positionally. Intraday about 100 to 120 point maximum, but positionally 250 to 300 point is the fall. But now Nifty went very close to 20,000, almost 20,000. Now it has broken 19,700 on the higher side, on the lower side, sorry. So, decisively. So, it is a more than 300 point fall correction in the last 4 months. So, this is the first one. So, therefore, definitely it is time to be a little bit cautious on the long side. And we don't know. But however, number one, global cues are good. I think Dow was up for 10 consecutive trading sessions and even today also the futures are indicating positive opening. And number two, institutional support is still there. And today, FIIs have sold just for 82 crore, but the domestic institutions have bought for 934 crore. So, net institutional figure is still positive. And number three, FIIs did not sell aggressively. On Friday, because of this Infosys saga, they sold heavily, but today they just sold only about 82 crore, right? So, number four, these are all like not a normal fall, but these are all like, results related fall. So, people would have taken huge long position, Reliance result was not up to the mark, so that is falling and so on. So, therefore, the fall may not continue. So, there is every possibility market may resume rally after a decent correction. But in the short term, for the last 4 months pattern, so this is already a decent correction. And nobody expected, 2 days before Nifty will break 19,700 on the downside. So, now the July series rally, about 1,000 point, 1/3 of that has been wiped out. So, normally, 1/3 wiped out is still market not stabilizing, 50% will wipe out. If even there also no market not stabilizing, 2/3 will be wiping out. So, that's only, an approximate data looking into the Fibonacci series. So, but as I told you, the Nifty support is only at 19,400. But now today the market was very, very volatile. So in the morning it came 19,720, then went up 19,800, again came down, again went up, again came down. But one bad thing is that, Nifty closed almost at the lowest point of the day. However, Bank Nifty has outperformed, and particularly HDFC Bank. So that is the only bank that supported the market. And however, option premiums have come down largely. Number one, the time value. Number two, the events are over. ICICI Bank result is over. Kotak Bank result is over. Major, huge index heavyweight stocks results are more or less over. And particularly the Bank Nifty premiums have come down drastically. That's because, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, RBL Bank, all the HDFC Bank, all bank results are out. There are only two more major banks. One is Axis Bank, which will be coming on this Wednesday, and the other one is the State Bank of India, which will come later. So that is why Bank Nifty, is more predictable than the Nifty. So Nifty, of course, there are many more companies' results will be due this week. So markets, may be likely to consolidate with a negative bias, maybe for at least another 1 or 2 days. And the bigger action may be there on Thursday after the Fed event. Right? So totally it is a disappointing day, but that is only for a very, very short term. But in the longer run, and still this is a fantastic rally from 16,800 to 20,000. So almost 3,200 points. So 3,200 points shot up, now 320 point corrected, just only 10% of it. So these kind of corrections are always good and healthy for the markets. And as I told you, for the next few days, the stock specific actions will continue. So because sudden fall yesterday, that is Friday and today, there was a lot of unwinding, and 19,900, 19,800 put optionals have seen a lot of unwinding, and people started selling aggressively even at the money call option like 19,700. So 19,700, 19,750, 19,800 call options all added more open interest. So in the morning I said, I'm expecting Nifty to take support around 19,700. So that has gone wrong, at least towards the end of the day. So the now next support, I do not want to speculate. My next support is only 19,400. And of course, resistance will be around the recent high of 20,000. So last month, it was like moving leaps and bounds higher. The call premiums are shooting up, but put premiums did not come down. But now call premiums are coming down very quickly. So option sellers must be happy. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.